Well, I'll tell you what, Hugh, in a way, it's kind of sad, but the tough prosecutor, he once was the tough prosecutor, he's begging a judge today to sentence him to home confinement. Well, the opposite occurred in federal court. Take a look. The government wanted 21 months in prison, which is the top of the 15 to 21 month sentencing guidelines, and they got it.
Read it, did it, too? Hey, Eric. Not right now, guys.
The former Macomb County Prosecutor not saying anything as he left the courtroom Wednesday afternoon.
It is exactly what we wanted.
U.S. Attorney Dawn Eisen, after sentencing in federal court.
It should send a clear message that no one, not even a person elected at the highest level of government, entrusted with enforcing the law and protecting the community from the very crimes that he committed, is above the law.
Another of Eric Smith's attorneys had no comment as he left the courthouse.
Any reaction at all? It was a tough sentence. It was the top of the guidelines.
It was.
Is it appropriate?
We're not going to argue with the judge right here. Thank you.
Smith, for 16 years, was prosecutor of Macomb County, resigning in 2020 after pleading guilty to obstruction of justice for misusing about $70,000 in campaign funds and getting 3 people to lie in an attempt to cover up the crime.
He did cooperate, though, and he did have an apology, though. Does he get any points for that?
What do you mean cooperate? By accepting responsibility for the very actions that he did? If that is considered cooperation, then he got credit for that. But his conduct was too egregious to ignore.
She's tough, too. So besides spending 21 months in prison, Eric Smith will have to pay restitution of $70,000, and he has to make an immediate $20,000 fine. That's a fine, 20,000 bucks. And the judge also gave Smith 90 days to report to federal prison. Now, his legal troubles not over. Eric Smith will be in court at the end of this month dealing with charges that he is accused of embezzling about $600,000 from Macomb County's forfeiture funds.
Now, Charlie, for years, Eric Smith promoted himself as a tough prosecutor, but I hear he was in tears today as he apologized in court.
He really was. He was reading a prepared statement. He broke up a couple of times. At one point, the judge had to say, Mr. Smith, you can take a moment. You can clearly see that he was upset. He was upset at what he did. He brought down 3 of his friends, but more importantly, he embarrassed the voters of Macomb County. These are the people that contributed to his campaign fund because he clearly misused the money inappropriately, and that was the crime. But his family was there. A lot of Eric Smith's family in the court, and it was very difficult for him. But he did break the law. He did fess up to it. But again, his legal troubles are not over. In fact, this might just be kind of the tip of the iceberg. More to come. These other state charges we're talking about, $600,000, the potential for more prison time is certainly there.
An incredible fall from grace, Charlie. Thank you.